everyone, I have some tips to give you. Okay, the importance of sleep for health and productivity. Imagine waking up every day feeling exhausted, struggling to focus and facing lower productivity at work or school. Sleep is often overlooked. Yet, it is one of the most critical factors for our health and performance. Today, I want to explain why sleep matters, how it affects our body and mind, and practical tips to improve sleep quality. Our body. Why sleep is important? Sleep is essential for physical restoration, helping repair tissues, strengthen the immune system, and maintain heart health. It also supports mental functioning, including memory, learning, and emotional regulation. Studies how adults who get 7 to 9 hours of sleep are more alert and productive and less prone to accidents. Number 2, consequences of poor sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to cognitive impairments, mood swings, and decreased attention. It increases the risk of health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Sleep deprived employees or students often perform worse than well rested peers, impacting overall productivity. 3. Tips for improving sleep quality. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at consistent times. Create a restful environment. Keep the bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Limit screen time and caffeine before bed. Before bedroom to improve sleep onset. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to reduce stress. In summary, sleep is not luxury. It is necessity for both physical health and mental performance. By prioritizing good sleep habits, we can improve focus, productivity, overall well-being. Remember, well-rested mind is a powerful mind. Make sleep a priority and watch how it transforms your daily life. Thank you.